Hi everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, I will be doing a healthy and nutritious juice. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. And to all my supporter, YouTuber, subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's begin to rumble. Let's begin to rumble. Here it's 3 pounds of carrot, kale, like 1 pound of kale, a piece of ginger, 1 lemon, a little piece of cucumber or 1 cucumber, but this is all I have, and blackberry. Do you know that blackberry is good for your skin? It helps your complexion, it helps you to give you a firm and youthful skin. It aids in type 2 diabetes, the carotene for the eyes, the cucumber for stress, the ginger for bloating, the lemon. This juice I'm making today is so nutritious, guys. All the carrot already rinsed and prepare, except one. I'm going to show you how to do it. All the ingredient here I'm using already rinsed in warm water. So we're going to remove the top, the head of the carrot. I'm just going to cut this a little bit deep because I need a piece of it. You want to remove the up here, the head. And you can always use your vegetable peeler and peel. But if you don't have the vegetable peeler, you can always use your knife. And then you rinse it under some water. This juice I'm making today, it is 100% juice. So you will need your juice extractor. If you don't have a juice extractor, you can use your NutriBullet. But remember, you just have to add some water in it. This is a juice extractor I will be using. Or if you're gonna use your blender, then you have to add water. So definitely I'm not adding any water to that. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell for the latest. When D-Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So with the kale, we just gonna, you see the end right there, you're gonna remove these dry part of the kale. You see, you just clip it off just like that. And probably you're wondering what happened to the blackberry. Now my blackberry is here. So now you're gonna pour the blackberry in. We're gonna use a NutriBullet for this. And you're gonna use some of the same juice that you just extracted. And you place your lid. You're gonna place it on the NutriBullet, just like that. And all you have to do is just place your hand over and you begin. And we're not gonna give this a lot of time, just like 30 seconds. Look at our juice, 100% carrot juice, kale, blackberry, ginger, lemon. And I tell you what, guys, this thing is so sweet. You don't need no sugar, no honey, no sweetener whatsoever to it. Or the carrot, the blackberry, it's already sweet. So look at this, beautiful people. Our Nutritious juice is now ready for drinking. I think you should give it a try, guys. You won't lose after this. I'm telling you, you can't lose. So give it a try and enjoy. I thank you, beautiful people, for watching D Don Kitchen. Please take good care of yourself and do take care of others. And I thank you, and I see you on the next one. One love, peace all the time. Bye for now.